Hey everybody, it's Crystal here from A Crystal Clear Life. And while I was editing my last Plan With Me video, I had a great idea and I just wanted to pop on here and give you a quick tip. Yes, it is dark outside and I'm having to use artificial light from inside, so we'll make the best of it. But I just wanted to share this because I think it's very helpful. Well, I just had the idea. I don't know if it's actually going to work, but stick with me and we'll see. All right, well, welcome back everybody, and thanks for joining me for this quick tip video. In last week's video, we went ahead and took the items from week 2 and brought them into December week 3. And our blank week 3 for December looked like this when we left off on the last video. And as I was editing the video, I had this thought, if I could lasso all of those habit trackers together and move them all at one time, could I move everything at one time? Well, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to try it here, live on video. Let's see what happens. So what am I talking about? So here is the cleaned up week 3 with the kind of layout that I like. And what I need to do is I'll need to copy that to week 4. Let me show you what the blank layout looks like. So here's the blank layout the way it comes from DCP Digitals, okay? Nothing in these boxes, nothing over here. Now, let's see if I can go back and lasso all of these things at one time. Okay, so here's week 3. I'm going to go up here to my draw menu and I'm going to click on my lasso tool. That will give me this little plus sign and that will allow me to encircle everything that I want to move together. So I am going to outline the entire planner page. Now let's keep our fingers crossed and see if this works, because that's a lot of stuff to move together. But everything is highlighted. That means it might move it. So I'm going to go down here, right click, hit copy, and then I'm going to jump over to week 4. Week 4 loads. Fingers crossed. Let's hit paste and see what happens. Not bad. Let's try it if I move it up a little bit. So I'm going to go to home and do undo. Let's try moving our cursor up here and hitting paste. Oh my gosh! Everything's almost perfectly lined up. I just think that's amazing. I don't know why I didn't think of that before, but learn something new every day, right? I'm used to grouping graphics together, but I never thought about copying the entire page. Anyway, just wanted to give you that quick tip. Maybe it'll save you some time. I don't know. Anyway, if you found value in this, give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.